What's up everyone, it's me, Bootleg YG, and today we're reacting to a new SMG4 movie called The Silence of the Cats. So I haven't just reacted to a SMG4 movie for a very long time, so anyway, let's go on to the video. Whoa, it's a giant city! Oh my god. It's the hand! Oh my god! It's Karen! Oh no! Whoa! Oh my god, guys! Do you know who it is? Oh my god, that's her memories? Oh my god! Oh my god! That's just like in the trailer! Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy freak! Oh my! Whoa! Isn't that Mr. Weapons? Yo! It's Mr. Weapons! Oh my god! Yo! He's the new villain! Yo! Oh my god! Oh my god, it's just like a Helluva Boss guy, I think. It's just like even like Blitzo, I think. Oh. It's a blue pizza? Oh, they're her kids. Oh. Her kids? Oh my god. Oh my god. Poor them.
Yeah, come on, Mom.
Oh, Mr. Weapon, stop being a childish guy.
Dining like this.
What? Oh my god.
Points for effort, right?
Oh my god! Yes, come on, Karen. Just ground him. What? He just bring another one? Why? Oh my god. Mr. Weapon is just a bad dad. Oh, jeez. Oh god.
They definitely get that from you, though.
Whoa.
Why the hell are you here? Oh, you know, just thought I'd swing by, see how you're doing. Wanted to reconnect.
Oh.
You know, spend some quality time with you guys. Reconnect? Yeah.
Oh my god, they're starting to fight?
Well, you always did.
Oh my god, what a villainous dad! Oh my god, he has got more special gadgets than Tari! Oh my god, like Clench. Oh my god, Tari was more... I mean, Mr. Weapons was very powerful than Tari, I think. Oh. Oh, what the? He kicked his balls. What the fuck?
This is who we are. You can't just walk away from.
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Why would they won't stop though? Why don't we just be like parents? Let me turn up the volume.
Sorry, son. That's not how it works.
Oh, jeez. Oh no, he's trying to feed Mr. Weapons.
All you want, but that cold, dead look in your eye. That's the real you, Katana. The look of a killer.
Oh my god, of a killer? Ah, stupid ads! Ignore that, guys. Ignore the stupid fucking ads. Oh my god, I still want to continue watching it.
Actually, kiddos, I know your mom really well. Don't even think about it.
Oh,
I'd like to get to know
jeez.
you too, since, well, I'm your dad.
Oh, I knew he was gonna be his dad. Yo.
Oh no, you don't get to call yourself that, father.
Oh.
You're all I have, and I'm not letting you ruin my family.
Oh.
Oh, now that's a story. Let your old man tell you all about how Mommy and Daddy met.
Oh.
Back then,
Oh, that's his origin story?
things her way, I did things
Oh my god, I want to hear this.
Your mom and I would go out killing.
Making a killing.
Wait, why did you put this, Karen? You freaking idiot.
What?
Yeah, you know how mom is always taking on jobs? Well, we did caretaking together.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, definitely.
All right, caretakers. We were real good. Took care of a lot of problems permanently.
Took care of problems like sleeping. Lots of patients had trouble sleeping, so
We helped them sleep nice and long. Even gave them nice beds. Made them
Oh.
burn about 50 feet underground.
That was just one.
That was the orphans?
It was a guy that was very particular about his sleeping arrangements.
Oh, you're
Oh,
jumping ahead to the
jeez.
spicy part. Your mom and I were on a very important job. High stakes, big time client, and wouldn't you know it, the deal goes.
Oh, that's the guy.
Never been back to a
Ooh.
corner like that before.
From Hitman Incorporated.
Something amazing, boss. We relied on each other. Our movements and instincts, finishing each other's attacks.
Wow. They learned how to do fighting?
That
Ooh.
night, we became more than business partners.
Wow, what a happy story.
Ooh.
Except you conveniently left out the part where you went away, never came back, and left me all alone.
Oh, that's how you're spinning it. Katana, I was out providing for the family. You were the one who finished leaving me to clean up the dirty work.
I was pregnant. I wasn't.
She was pregnant?
If you
Oh my god, what the shit, man, dude?
been there for us.
I was trying my best. I could have provided and been a good father if you had just given me a chance.
Oh god. Why don't you just tell Karen about some bad language? What the fuck?
When I had you kiddos, the last thing I wanted was for you to live in the world I came from. I promised myself I'd do anything to ensure you'd grow up safe and happy.
Safe? Come on.
Wait, oh.
Mention their arcade.
No, that's exactly
Oh my
what
god.
you
I bet Mr. Weapons is gonna to be a fighter or something.
They embrace the blood run.
I guess Mr. Weapons will actually just fit into the Super Smash Bros. Mod, I think. Another blue pizza? Yo! Oh.
Kiddos love it. Come on, let them learn from their old man.
Absolutely not.
Banana.
I said no, I'm not supposed to.
Come on, Karen. Why don't you just trust him? He's just a good dad. Come on.
Fine. I get it. Do what you want. I won't force you.
I guess. Oh my god, he was leaving.
Thought it'd be nice, you know?
Yes, go away, Mr.
Finally
Frickin'
let me
Weapons.
give this family thing a try.
What a bitch ass dude. Oh, the security shop? Oh, the swag! Wait, what is he doing? Oh my god, that's a lot of security things. Oh, they thought it was him.
Good things like home defense system. Save your asses. With heat-seeking missiles. Lock on SMGs.
Oh,
Stay on your tickets,
jeez.
crush and more. This top-notch security system is unstoppable.
Oh, sure, top of the line. Maybe
Is that him again?
Really, Katana? Line on toys?
Oh, why is he just calling Karen a katana? She's not even a sword. What the freak? Oh god. He's made out of steel. Oh my god.
If your traps are trying to bore me to death, it's working.
Okay, Barrow.
Oh.
My ultimate attack.
Why? Freddy Fazbear!
Great.
I love FNAF. Oh! It shot Freddy! Oh my god! Yo!
Security system
Oh,
ain't smart.
jeez.
You know what you're doing. Real security comes from honing your skills.
Oh my
and
god,
becoming
guys.
the weapon.
My beautiful defense system.
An overwhelming offense can be as dangerous as a Tommy gun. A calm mind and nerves of steel is as resourceful as a sniper. And if you're all those things, you can be just like your mom was with her favorite weapon.
Oh god.
Ooh, feisty.
Oh. The shooting gallery? Oh my god, that's just like Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria. Oh god. They're trying to shoot the targets? Aww.
It's okay, sweetie. Remember, focus on grip, stance, and breathing.
Oh! Oh god, what a shooting guide it was.
Fancy running into
Stop
you.
calling to Katana, you
Friendly.
British idiot.
What's the matter? Scared I'll beat you again, like always? Remind me, what was
Oh,
the final
God.
on our last job? Oh, that's right. I had the higher kill count.
Oh god. Holy jeez.
Only you eat those words, you smug son of a...
Oh no, he has a out of
Time to go,
oh.
kiddos. That
I thought
makes
he's out of
some
ammo.
influence.
Oh jeez. You're not being a good dad. Oh my god, this stupid fucking ads. Ah.
And I was really tired of
Get the
being
fuck out,
bullied
stupid ads.
by people. What's the matter, Zach? Don't you want to ride your bike with your brother and sister?
Oh. Why is it she's trying to keep on trying to talk to her?
Why are you here? Leave us alone.
Hey, no need for a fight. I'm just here to give you some parental guidance.
What do you know
be an expert to know that kid ain't having fun.
Aww.
Your cold shoulder never stopped me from speaking my mind before. You gotta let the kid ditch
Oh,
the damn training.
jeez.
And risk him getting hurt? Absolutely not.
You of all people should know. You gotta let them fall a little so they learn how to stand on their own.
Oh, me.
I get you don't want them out there
Oh.
killing people. How are they supposed to grow at all if you keep sheltering them like toddlers?
Oh, he just can't trust Mr. Weapons. Why?
You can ride for a little bit without the training wheels, but you still gotta wear your helmet.
Okay. They're going to do some bicycling. Ooh.
Look at him go. I'm the best.
Oh, wow.
It's a natural.
Great job.
Why did you even bother coming back?
I know I wasn't there for you. When you left, the whole assassin's life wasn't the same. It felt meaningless. And I kept thinking about all the stuff I was missing. Their first words, first steps.
Fancy words don't change what you did to me. What you did to my kids.
Oh, that's so upsetting.
Fix anything. Doesn't make up for what I did. But I'm sorry, Karen.
Oh. Oh, so this is so sad. Oh. Oh my god.
You've grown a lot. For the better. But there are some things that just can't be forgiven.
I guess that's that then.
Wow.
It's him.
It's weapons.
Yup. Oh.
Okay, fine. But only 10 minutes and no weapons.
All right. Okay. All right. Wow, you guys got Warrior's motorbike? Oh. Whoa. Oh my god.
Watch and learn, kiddos. Time for a master class in style.
Whoa. Oh my god. He's doing the flip? Whoa, pizza tower. Yo.
That, ladies and gentlemen,
Oh,
is
jeez. Whoa.
Nice one, boys. You make your old man proud. Hey, I get it, Katie. Risks are scary. But sometimes you just gotta go for it. Worst case, you stumble a little. Best case, you fly.
Wow. Oh my god, Katie's gonna do it! Yo! 999? Oh my god, that's 999. Oh my god! The rocks! Oh jeez. Karen, come on! No, what's the weapons? No! Oh no, what happened? No, no, no. Please don't die. Wait, what? They got guns! Yo! Oh god! Hell no! Oh my Zach! He's the chainsaw man! Oh! I can't use the bomb? Yo!
Whoa! Killer!
Oh my god!
Are you okay?
Why?
Are you bruised?
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah! I knew
Oh
you'd
yeah,
get
I
it.
remember these
You're my
kids.
kids, all
Katie,
right.
Zach, and Corey. Oh. Oh my god.
Look at ya!
Oh wow.
Little missile!
Oh, she's giving a hug. Aww. Wow. That's so nice.
Okay, kids. 10 minutes is up. Time to get going.
Aww. Why is he just...
Come on, kids. Let me show you how cool weapons are.
Oh my god. Oh, poor Karen. Wow. Whoa, he made a sculpture? That's cool.
My main goal is to blow up.
Oh, wow. At the bottom of the lake? Nice one. And Katie? Oh, like, wow, like this is like, yo, just like Splatoon. Oh,
Skip it up and down.
kaboom!
I've
Oh
never
wow.
seen this happy before.
Okay. Yo! Whoa! They're showing them some skills? Wow!
You guys are naturals. Say,
Whoa.
you kids come join Papa on his next secret mission.
Wow. Secret mission? Oh, jeez.
No! Absolutely not!
No.
You're not going! You are forbidden!
You're being dramatic. Help them get
Why?
into their roots. You really deprive them of that?
Oh my god.
I'm not gonna let you put my kids in danger with your stupid missions!
They're my goddamn kids too, Katana.
Stop calling him Katana! She's just a cat! Not even just a sword! How many times do I have to tell you? Aww. Every time I became so sad.
They got powers now. They should use them.
No! That's not the kind of life I want for them!
Aww.
Yeah, it's always mom knows best. Since you're such a good mom, you ever asked them what they want?
What?
They got their powers because of me. They ain't gonna grow at all if you keep them on a leash.
Oh.
They should choose for themselves. Come on,
What?
kids. Pick your poison.
Kids, let's just go home, okay?
Sorry, Karen.
Oh.
Kids made their choice.
Oh, poor Karen. Oh. Don't stop, Karen. Oh my god, stupid ads. Oh, jeez. Those fucking ads are so stupid.
See these things.
They're at SMG4's house. Whoa. Oh, this is SMG4, yes! SMG4.
Maybe you've had enough, Karen.
Didn't ask for a lecture. Now pour.
You wanna talk about
Aww.
it? Whatever's bothering you, I mean.
Oh my god.
Want to be a good mom. Make sure my kids don't make the same mistakes I did.
Oh.
Used to be reckless, dangerous.
Oh, he was working with Mr. Weapons.
Always looking for that.
Oh my god,
next
that's
thrill.
what Mr. Weapons about saying about his origin story. Oh my god.
Then I had kids.
Oh my god! Their kids have been born?
They became my whole world.
Oh no.
When no one else would.
Aww.
They were the first thing I ever wanted to protect.
Oh.
But I guess I screwed that one up.
Hey, come on. You've gone through plenty to make your kids happy. Not everyone's willing to sacrifice as much as you do.
Yeah? Well, look where that got me. They're gonna end up exactly like I was. I just
Oh jeez.
not go down the same paths I did.
Mario! Oh my god, with the tower sandwiches?
You
Oh.
can't change someone for who they are. But maybe that's okay. That's why you're there, right? To teach them why they mess up. To be there when they need it. You in their corner of the ring through it all. Support
Oh
them.
my god, why are you stucking up the up the more, Mario?
That's what
You
want more than
you
anything.
freaking plumber. Wait, what? Oh, Mario! Whoa, why is he choking? Yo! Oh my freaking god. Oh my god, she's going out. Amazon HQ? Whoa.
Welcome to your first mission, kiddos. After today, you're gonna be legends.
Oh yeah.
Hey, slow your roll, Rambo. Assassins don't waste their trump cards. Gotta use your head, for once.
Oh my god.
Would you look at that? A brain and instincts.
Oh. Oh, they're trying to climb up to the... they're trying to climb up there.
Less yapping, more climbing. You want the whole neighborhood to hear ya?
Oh, jeez.
I need you guys to lock in here. Save the jokes till after the mission's done.
Aww. Oh my god.
There they are. Monopoly Man's prized possessions. Whole set's worth at least
Oh
$1
my
billion.
god. Whoa.
Yeah, hilarious. Real comedians here. You gonna stand there and joke all day?
Whoa, they're showing their skills?
Oh, you got it under control? Great. Let's test that theory.
Whoa! Hey, yo!
You got time to joke, you got time to fight!
Whoa!
And show me what you got!
Oh my god! Oh yeah! Oh jeez!
Come on, Katie, didn't you learn anything from
Oh
the
my,
arcade?
oh my god!
Stop bickering and start blasting! What's the hold-up, Corey? Supposed to be fearless like a bomb, remember?
Oh yeah! Kaboomy! Oh my god! What the freak? Oh no! No! No, no! Why did you do this? No!
I need you kids to be stronger.
Come on.
Up.
Oh! Karen! Oh my god! Yo! Oh my god! Oh, she's being a good warrior! Whoa! Whoa. Oh my god. Oh jeez.
Sorry, kiddos. I was
Oh
trying
my
so hard
god.
to keep you away from all this. Too hard.
She's trying to protect their
I had
children?
imagined you closer to it.
Oh, what about Mr. Weapons? Oh god.
Sorry to interrupt the emotional moment, hon, but it's my weekend with the kids. Piss off.
Oh.
Leave my family alone!
Oh, whoa! What the fuck? Whoa! Oh my god, there's a battle there!
Want this? They're kids! This ain't about what they want. It's what they need. Their weapons.
Oh! Come on, there's gonna be a battle there! Come on! Oh no!
You know what? You're right. They should choose.
Oh!
What's wrong? They gotta choose for themselves.
Oh, jeez!
So come on, kids. Pick your poison.
Oh
You in their corner of the ring
no! Oh my god!
they can grow and be happy.
She remembers SMG4? About the opportunity?
You three. You felt it, right? The rush, the power. That was only a taste of what you can do. Stay with me, and you'll never be weak or scared again.
Oh
You'll
god.
be legends.
Oh my god!
Katie, Corey,
Oh
I'm
no.
sorry. I was always so scared of seeing you guys get hurt.
Oh my
I
god.
didn't realize how
Come on,
much
there's
you've
gonna be a
grown up,
battle there. Come
how
on.
strong you've gotten. So this is your choice to make. And no matter what you choose, you'll always be my kids. And I'll always love you.
Aww. What? Oh! Okay. Oh, yeah. They're being a good family to me.
You're seriously gonna go behind me?
Oh my god! Here comes the battle!
This is how you repay me? No ungrateful little brats of mine are gonna grow.
Oh yeah! Here we go! Battle time! Whoa! Yo! Yo! His eyes are red! Oh! Oh my god! Come on, Karen! Oh my god! Oh my god, claws! Yo! Oh my god, the kids! Oh no! Oh no! Holy freak! No!
See, Katana?
Oh my god! I mean, you freaking bastard!
Chose me. They need me more than they need.
Oh, jeez! No! Oh my, come on! What are you gonna do? Oh no! Oh god! Oh whoa! Oh my god! They've torn Mr. Weapons into pieces! Oh my god! They've saved her! Oh god, yo! Mr. Weapons is feel sorry to this. Oh my god. I mean... Oh yeah, now he's talking about... Oh yeah! Yes! Let's go! Yo! Whoa! Yes! Oh wow! They're in like in a Smash Bros! Oh my god! Whoa! No! He needs to be defeated! Oh wow! Come on, Karen! Corey, Zach, and Katie! Do your thing! Whoa! Fire in the hole! Ignore that, guys.
You screw
Ignore this
with
fucking
the
noise.
wrong family.
Yo! Oh my god! Yo! Yo, yes! They defeated Mr. Weapons! Yes! Let's go! Yes!
See, Katana, I made them stronger.
Oh my god. Kick his ass! Yes! Yeah! Goodbye, Mr. Weapons! Ha! Oh yeah, they give me proper pizza now! Wow. Oh my god! Oh my god! Jack, calm down! You murderer! Oh, why? Stop fighting each other, please! Okay! Whoa! What a loud noise, she was saying. Oh my god.
Listen, kiddos. I know you have powers. But you can't just go
Aww.
around mindlessly blasting everything when something doesn't go your way.
Oh my
You
god.
get hurt.
Holy jeez.
Tell you what, this weekend, I'll take you to a shooting gallery. You can practice getting those powers under control. I'll even teach you a couple
Oh
of
my
things.
god.
But nothing too crazy, okay?
Oh yeah!
Good. Now let's just have a nice, normal dinner. No more crazy lunches.
Aww. Wow. Oh my god, he was still dead! Oh jeez. Oh, Mr. Weapons! Oh, and he's dead. I mean, he dead. Wait, what? Whoa! Does that sound like Sir Danadu? From Gone in a Ban Ban?
What's the matter? Can't go to
Oh my god!
I know all too well what it's like to be on the cusp of
Oh my god.
innocence, only for it to be ripped away,
Oh!
leaving you scarred
What?
and alone.
Oh my god!
In my darkest hour, the one thing
Does that sound like something I do?
a friend.
Wait, what?
So what do you say?
Oh my god, it's Mr. Puzzles! Oh my god! Oh my god, he's back! Oh my god! I thought he died! What the freak? Oh my god! I thought he died, oh my god! He just breaked out! Whoa, oh my god! I thought he's dead! Oh no! Oh my god, this is just like Poppy Playtime!
Hope you get the rest you deserve. And
Oh my
that
god.
wonder what that sneaky SMG4 has in store.
You know that, guys?
And yeah,
Ignore this
with the end of the
electronic
summer,
noise.
we have a new mud shop for you.
Wow!
Starting off with your girl Karen. That's right, the Karen plush comes with a little apron, a little paw, a little tail, and some really sad
Oh,
eyes. So you
wow.
sit on your desk and stare at you while you watch the memes. And Karen want to be complete without her kids. We turned all our kids into little chunk keychain plush.
Wow.
And also, Velcro the tops and bottoms.
Still, please ignore that, please.
You can dangle them off your bag and you can watch them scream in pain. And up next, you got your boy, Mr. Puzzles, as a really cool
Wow, and as an anime?
turned down this, like,
Holy wow.
pew, 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 pew. And we have an SMG4 pencil case with really cute designs on it.
Whoa.
If you ever want to put your pens and pencils in here to draw memes, then go ahead and do it. And lastly, we got this cute little SMG4 water bottle.
Whoa.
Also, get fuego on your ass. And you can get all of these at SMG4.store. The big
Wow.
sale going on only for the next 10 days. Thank you guys all so much for watching the SMG4 Karen movie with us. We hope you enjoyed it.
Oh, wow. That's the best Karen arc of all time. Oh my god. Oh, jeez. Oh my god. I thought Mr. Puzzles had just died or something. Oh, guys. I have another theory about this. If Mr. Puzzles is going to break out from jail and come to the crossover to the Cuphead show, and then Peach is going to come back, and Axel is going to return in Waffy 2025. So, if you want to subscribe to Disney Junior Fan, and like and share, and I'll see you guys next time for the next reaction video. And deuces! Did someone call for me?